Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store of the series Do It Yourself. And many of you have asked, how can I add an audio alert to a signal? Maybe you have an indicator, it has signals and you want to add an audio alert. And really you don't need that the indicator has included that option, because with the, for example, this indicator has no audio alerts. This is one of mine, because really currently makes no sense to add that function because we have alerts on NinjaTrader. Let me show you. If you use this function, alerts, you right click the chart, select alert. You can create several alerts and each one of them can include a set of conditions. For the conditions, for example, you can set that the price has crossed over a level. Example, no? If you want to detect when the price crosses above a price, you can select the price. But for this particular example, we want this indicator to have a signal. And you can see that there is a section, indicators, and here only are shown the indicators applied to the chart. So you can select this indicator, and at the bottom you can select which one of the plots. Okay, this plot is the signal up, the same plot that we can use to automate from builder or markers. But on this case, I only want to detect that it exists. That means signal up, this plot has a value. That value is the price where it is printed, and really I don't care. I am only interested in if there is or not a signal. And for that, we can select it. It is not equal to 0. No 0. Okay, because the plot, when we have a signal, it is painted on a price, and the price is never equal to 0. So with this condition, we are detecting when this indicator has a long signal. We can add more conditions. Okay? We can make it really complex. And then we have a section with the message. The message is what we get on, let me see, let me cancel, click on OK. On Control Center, we have new alert log. With this option, it opens a window like this with an alert log. And each time that an alert happens, it is printed here. Let's go back to the example. We are creating this alert. So when this plot is not equal to 0, we have a message. And that message can have a color here on the foreground or background, a text. The name is the name of the alert. Here you can change. This is a, I don't know, a custom alert. And also important, once the alert triggers, by default, it never runs. That means there is no another alert, but you can turn it off. You can re-enable the alert usually at bar close, or maybe if we have too many bars per second, maybe you want to set a timer. For example, after 5 seconds, I want to enable the signal. But this is a 5-minute chart, so we can re-enable after bar close. Okay, so the alert is always working. Then here we have the name is this custom alert. This is going to be shown here, and also the message. For example, name triggered, etc. This is the text to be shown on the alert. But the most important are the actions. Which are the actions we can play a sound, the most important, and you can choose not only the system, you can choose any. For example, on my desktop, I have this audio that you can create with AI Studio. Just type your alert.
This is your custom alert.
If you are okay with this message, just download. This is the URL. But you can choose any audio alert. You only need a WAV like this one.
This is your custom alert.
Then you can select that file. It is on my desktop. This is your custom alert. And that's all. So when this signal is printed, it will play this audio. And we can execute more alert, for example, showing a pop-up. And also share a message, for example. We can include a picture, for example, a picture of the chart. Okay? And we can include a text and select email. If we select an email, of course, we need to specify where is the address. No, this is my email. And for the subject, we can type, I don't know, custom alert. The first time that you use an email from NinjaTrader, it is going to ask for permissions, but only the first time. So let's see how it looks. Currently, I am on playback. That means we can go to 715, 720. Okay. And now at 100, the speed is important because at higher speed, maybe the alert is not going to detect. But of course, at 100, maybe in real time, it is going to detect it always. So we can click on play.
This is your custom alert.
And now we can see that at the first time we have an alert, we have several options. This is the pop-up. We also get a warning giving access to my account to send emails from NinjaTrader. If you enable this, you get something like this. This is an email with your message, your picture, okay? And also you have the option with the pop-up, you have the option to disable, because by default you remember this is enable at bar close. And just click on OK. You can see at the bottom here also the text from the alert. Let's go one by one. If we go again to alert, we can see that it is still enabled. The sound was we already saw, and the pop-up and the email. Let's say we repeat this again. And also, of course, another action that you can execute, but be careful with this one, is to execute an order. But this is like clicking on send order. This is not a manager. I mean, if you are long and then it executes a short, this is a new trade. For a better approach, we have a product markers that it is better for doing that. But just in case you are waiting only one signal and you want to execute a long, you can submit an order on the playback account. You can select the account here and enter long. You can also use an ATM, for example, this one with 100 for the target, 100 for the stop, and let's see how it works. Okay, now let's go back again to 720. Okay, click on play.
Order filled.
And there you have it. The audio alert is not playing because the order is overriding that audio alert. Okay?
Target filled.
Okay, hope this has been useful, and if you have any question or comment, don't forget that we have a chat room on Discord. The access is free, and the instructions for the login are on the description of this video. Also, if you are interested in this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell to receive an alert each time we upload a new video like this. Thank you everyone, and see you. Bye bye.